So like makes accurate color mixing attainable for everyday non-artistic humans.
Yeah.
Lessens waste.
I don't even think we need to say non-artistic. I think
was
that
just me.
yeah, because I think saying that, then they're gonna be like, well, why do you need paint if you're not artistic?
Or you can just be like not professionals, like amateur, novice.
Unexperienced paint mixers. This is just the notes. We can rephrase it. Lessens waste. Can we? Hopefully.
I think you need to elaborate on that though. Like I don't think lessons waste by itself is like a sufficient goal. Like reduces like waste how?
Like, well, because it will get you as close as it possibly can, ideally, to the color you want, to a point in which you would just add like maybe a little white or a little black versus like, oh shit, I fucked up, I need to start over again.
Okay, so that's it. Because I thought when you say lessen waste, I thought you meant like so they don't have to buy like 5 billion tubes of paint.
I mean, that too. So like,
You should like specify.
like only takes.
This is what the description on the thing that I found says. That it says will drastically reduce the time spent on mixing the colors or money spent on purchasing different pigments. I think money spent on purchasing different pigments is like a big thing. And provide you that extra time for you to be creative.
This is bad phrasing, but when we actually write it up, it will.
I think one that we can talk about is like it takes like a lot of like frustration and anxiety that people who aren't artistic have about art. Like it takes away an element of that. Does that make sense?
Yeah. I think we should stray away from saying non-artistic because that makes it sound like you don't have to be a professional artist, but like.
Let's just say like amateurs. Is that a good word or?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Or just like not using the.
I think saying like amateurs.
Amateur is
fine.
fine.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I don't think we should say non-creative.
What's the like